Welcome. So in this video, we're going to be working through question 13 here. Let's give it a read and see what we can do with it. So it says, the curve this, for which f dash of x is equal to 16x plus k, where k is a constant, has a turning point at 2, 1. Find the value of k, and then find the value of f of x when x is equal to 7. All right, so the first thing I need to do, and this question very much follows on from question 12, just the thinking of it and everything like that. So have a look at question 12 if you haven't done this one, if you haven't done that one yet, before you look here. So they've told me that I have a turning point, okay? Now, as soon as I see the word turning point, I'm thinking of this in my head. This is my turning point. What do we know about a turning point, especially in regards to derivatives? We know that the derivative is going to be equal to 0 at that point. So this right here is telling me that my derivative is equal to 0, or to say it another word, my gradient is equal to 0 when x is equal to 2. Now I know what the derivative is. My derivative is f of x is equal to 16x plus k. And then from there, I can put sub 2 into this and set that equal to 0. So I'm going to set that equal to 0 and then sub 2 into it, like so. And that's going to leave me with 32 plus k, which means k is going to be equal to negative 32, like that. Whoops, let's do that a bit nicer. I might even do this in red. Why not? Because that is my first answer. So this is A, and there it is right there. We now go on to B. B then says find the value of f of x when x is equal to 7. Okay, so to find what f of x is going to be, I'm going to have to anti-differentiate. Well, let me get a better pen. I want this one. We're going to have to anti-differentiate 16x plus k dx, because remember, by anti-differentiating my derivative, I'm going to end up with my function. That's going to be 16x squared on 2 plus... Now, I don't have to put k there anymore, do I? Because I know what k is. K is negative 32. So this will be negative 32x plus c. Don't forget the plus c. I can now tidy this up a little bit. That's pretty ugly. Let's see if we can do that a bit better. 8x squared minus 32x plus c. Now I need to solve it for c. To solve it for c, I can just sub in the point 21. Sub in 2, 1 to find c. So I'm going to put a 1 here. I'm going to put a 2 into my x spot like so. Let's do some maths. Let's come down here. 1 is equal to 8 4s minus 64 plus c. 1 is going to be equal to 32 minus 64 plus c. 32 minus 64 is going to be equal to negative 32 plus c. That means I'm going to get 33 is equal to c. Now, I'm not done yet. I'm not done yet, because the question didn't merely want me to tell you what f of x is equal to, but I can say what it is now. It's going to be 8x squared minus 32x, but instead of saying plus c, I'm going to say plus 33 now. But it actually didn't want that. It wants me to say what it is when x is equal to 7. So I'm going to have to put 7 into this. All right, this is not going to be fun. Oh, that's disgusting. All right, it's going to be 7 squared minus 32, 7 plus 33. This is just cruel. This isn't right at all. 7 squares are 49. What is 32 times 7? Well, I would go 3 times 7 is 210, because 30 times 7 is 310, and then 2 times 7 is 14. So this is going to be 224 plus 33. Then I've got 8 times 49. Well, 8 times 40 is going to be 320, and then 8 9s are 72. So this is going to be 392 minus 224 plus 3. Then I can go 392 plus 33 is going to be equal to 425 minus 224. And the reason why I did that now is because now it's easy to subtract this. 4 minus 2 is 2, 2 minus 2 is 0, 5 minus 4 is 1. That's going to be my answer. How about you? But that was pretty cruel of Cambridge. Why did it do that to us? That's it. That's how you answer that question. So there's A, there's B. Hopefully this made sense. I don't think this would make much sense without you first doing question 12. So look at question 12, then give this one a crack, see how you go. All right, I'll see you in the next one. Make sure to reach out if you want any help.